right, question 3. I have a feeling we missed question 2. Let's have a quick look. We have question 2 here. Oh, we did have question 2. That's fine. Right. Okay, so we've got question 3, sorry. So let's take a look at this. Now, so it says the volume of the following. Well, volume is equal to length times width times height. So it's going to equal length. We'll call that 12 times 8.8 times 1.6. What do we end up with? We get 12 times 8.8 times 1.6, and we end up with 168.96. And this would be in meters, meters, meters. You've got to check they're all the same unit, yeah, because this is a real have. They always get you on this one. So it's going to be meters, right, okay. And that's going to be cubic meters. There it is. All right, a garden diagram of a garden plot is shown below. I see we've got a trapezium here. So this area of this face here, and then we've got a length here. And I'm noticing, look at this one here, they're really crafty. This is 50 centimeters, which is, if we're going to do it in, oh no, they're all centimeters. No, I'm wrong. They're all centimeters. Quite often they might make this meters and this centimeters, so you just got to watch that. But this is all good. So the area of the face here, so the area is going to be a trapezium, which is going to be A plus B divided by 2 times H. Well, the area is the top and the bottom, which is 12 plus 8 divided by 2 times the vertical height, which is 9. So what's that going to equal? So here we go. We're going to have, let's see, we've got 12 plus 8 is 20. Divided by 2 is going to be 10. And multiplied by 9 is 90. So this is 90 here. Now, the volume, though, yeah. Oh, well, hang on, wait. What am I doing? I'm doing the second bit first. I just saw this and thought, let's find the volume. The pot needs to be filled to the brim with soil. What's the volume? Well, the volume. We're calculating the volume now, yeah? So I'm doing the second one first. Okay. So the volume, though, is equal to area times length, or times width, or this bit here. So I'm going to go 90 times, there's my 50 there, so 90 times 50 is equal to, so let's have a look at that, 90 times 50, 9 5s are 45, so we've got 4,500. It's 4,500, and this is going to be cubic centimeters. There it is. So there is our volume. So, and this is where this goes in here, 4,500, and this is cubic centimeters. Yeah, in cubic centimeters. That's rather nice. Good. The weed mat is made to cover the top of the pot. What's the area of the weed mat? Well, the top of the pot is presumably this bit up top here. And that's going to be 12 by 50, because this bit is also 50, yeah? This bit's also 50. This is also 12. So it's going to be 12 by 50. So the area of the top is going to be 12 times, so area is equal to length times width equals 12 times 50. Let's have a look at that. So 12 times 50 is going to equal 600. So 600, and it's going to be in centimeters, so it's going to be square centimeters. Oh, centimeters, cm. There we go. All right. Number 5, a tap is dripping into a glass container at a rate of 2 milliliters per second. The end of 1 hour, the glass container is full of water. Okay, so it's doing that 2 milliliters per second, okay, which is actually quite a rate for a tap. You don't want to be a tap dripping at 2 milliliters. You're soon going to use quite a bit of water just doing that. It doesn't sound like much, but you know, you're going to be doing a bit. So at the end of an hour, well, an hour is going to be, so how many liters of water in the container? So it's going to be 2 milliliters, yeah, or if you like, milliliter is going to be 2, so it's going to be milliliters, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, so 0.002. So these are going to be 1, 2, 3, so these are milliliters, yes, and it's going to be times an hour. An hour is going to be times 60 seconds in a minute, and 60 minutes in an hour. So what do you end up with? Well, you're going to have 0.002 times 60 times 60. Oh, you can't see that, sorry. 0.002 times 60 times 60, and we end up with 7.2. So you've actually got 7.2 litres. There should be a space in between there, which is a fair amount, yeah? Okay, what's the volume of glass contained in... Oh, what's the volume? What's the volume of the glass container in cubic centimetres? Well, really, it's the same thing, yeah? It's going to be... so you've got... cubic centimetres. A milliliter is a cubic centimetre, yeah? So 1 milliliter is 1 cubic centimetre. So it's going to be, it's really 2 cubic centimetres, okay? And we're going to multiply it by 60 is equal to, so you've got 2 times 60 is 7,200. So 7,200 cubic centimetres. Now, let's see, it's dripping into... the glass is full of water. Okay, so yeah, so it's going to be 7,200 cubic centimeters. A different container weighs 2.2 kilograms, and the volume of the container is blah. What is the total mass of the container when it's full of water? So the total mass, well, first of all, that's going to be, we're going to divide that by 1,000, and it's going to turn into kilograms. So we're going to have 5,450 divided by 1,000 is equal to 5.450 kilograms, because when we convert cubic centimeters, these are basically milligrams, and milligrams divided by 1,000 make kilograms. So 5.450 kilograms, and it's going to be 5.45 plus 2.2, because we've got to add on the weight of the glass. So 5.45 plus 2.2, 5.45 plus 2.2 gives us 7.65. 7.65 kilograms. And there's our answer. Now, a new residential area has 475 square meter pieces of land for building new houses. What's the total area of the new residential area in hectares? Well, let's find out how much the total area is. So it's going to be 50 lots of 475, which is, let's have a look, 50 lots of 475, which is 23,750. 23,750, and that's going to be cubic meters. Sorry, wow, square meters, crikey. Okay, but a hectare is 10,000 square meters. So in hectares, it'd be 23,750 divided by 10,000, and that's going to give us the answer in hectares. So I'm just going to move the decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4, which will be 2.375. Wait, what have I just done? And put the 3 in there. There it is, which is 2.375 HA. And that would be the answer.